In this video today, in the All Things Noah YouTube channel upload, we are going to be talking about all how to make good gaming content on YouTube. I already made a video of how to make a good content on YouTube. If you guys haven't checked that out, definitely go check it out. But in this one, we're going to actually be talking about how to make a good gaming content on YouTube. So hopefully this video definitely does help you out. Tip number one is to invest into very decent equipment. Definitely start out small before you actually invest into the bigger stuff. I tell a lot of people to do this, but they should always start out small. Never start out investing into the big stuff until you have the investment to actually do that. So definitely start out small. Definitely build that up over time, and just remember it's going to take time. It's going to take effort to put into your content, and just work hard. I always tell people that work hard. This is going to take a lot of hard work. It's going to take consistency, all that kind of stuff. If you want to become a video content creator or want to do it full time. If you're just doing it for fun or a side hustle, that is totally fine. But you have to put the hard work. You have to put the consistency. You gotta do that, because if you don't do that, you're definitely not going to grow as a video game content creator, and you're not going to succeed. So definitely stay consistent, put the hard work into it, and just remember, just have fun, just enjoy it. And definitely number two is definitely start out on console. That's how I mostly got started with live streaming and content creation in general. I just started out live streaming directly to my console, my Xbox One. When I first started, I didn't have a webcam, I didn't have a headset, didn't have any of that. I just put out the game content, then uploaded it actually to my YouTube channel. When I actually did do Twitch streams, Mixer streams back in the days, that's what I actually did. And it actually built more of my success of my 6 years streaming and content for you guys. Also, another tip is to definitely do your research, and definitely make sure that if this is something you really want to do, because I know a lot of people jump into this like they expect something to happen. It's not going to be like that. It's never was like that years ago. You just have to go into it. That's something you just have to actually enjoy the process. If this is something you really want to do, of sharing your passion for games, definitely if it's something you want to do, go for it. But if you want to do something else outside of your content zone, definitely go for it. Definitely, for sure. And definitely another thing is to have good upload speed of internet. Definitely make sure you have really great internet speed between 5 to 10 megabits of upload. Higher. Definitely stream at those. And definitely start out as well with a really decent laptop. A decent microphone. You can also start out on your cell phone as well. You can also start out on that, because a lot of people start out on something. Gotta start somewhere, So definitely start out with something really decent, like a decent laptop, a decent computer that can handle editing, live streams, software, and all that kind of stuff. So definitely invest into some pretty decent equipment, and then later save up for the long run to upgrade to a better computer, better console, better monitor, and a better cell phone. Like, whatever you guys want to start out with of your gaming content career, definitely start out somewhere. Definitely start out somewhere, because I feel like lots of people jump the ship and just invest into really high quality stuff, which that is really important though, really is important to invest high quality content. But definitely start out small is definitely the most important part, just to start out your journey. You don't want to start out with something that's really big right away, because when you start out right away, you're not going to understand how the equipment actually works, which you're actually going to struggle, and it's going to definitely be hard on you. So definitely invest in really decent equipment. Definitely do that. And to also as well, make eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are really important for YouTube. Definitely make eye-catching thumbnails. Definitely do that for other platforms, because Thumbnails are really important because they catch the viewer's eye and it actually creates a hook into the video that you're making, and those people will continue to watch your content. So definitely make an eye-catching thumbnail, even if it's something to start out with. If you're looking for a really decent tool just for free, just to make these thumbnails, I would definitely invest into Canva. Canva is free to use. They do have some premium features that you have to pay, but mostly the whole entire website is free. You can actually make thumbnails. But you can do it through your phone. There is an app for that. Or you can actually go to their website on your laptop or your computer, make high quality thumbnails. So definitely do that. That is definitely really key as well. And then make very compelling titles. Definitely make sure that you always change your title every stream so it's always fresh and new when people do come to your stream. And also be sure to change the category every now and then. Definitely change the category to what game you're going to be playing, or if you're going to do just chatting, all that kind of stuff. Always make sure you always change your content type that you're actually going to be creating for that content. So definitely do that. So hopefully this video definitely does help you out. If it did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next All Things Noah YouTube channel upload.